This is a tiny house with a blue color combination concept on the exterior, but the interior is very stunning with a combination rustic and luxury elements, which makes this tiny home seem more lively and luxurious. In this video, I show several examples of interior design, and these have an identical feel to the exterior, but are packaged with a combination of luxury elements in the interior. The loft bed area in this tiny house is equipped with a frameless glass railing, which gives a spacious impression to the room but remains functionally safe. With the wooden pattern ceiling like this, it gives a homey and warm impression to the overall feel of the interior. Built-in sofas and bar stools are attractive interior elements apart from function as seating. They also add an aesthetic impression to a modern and elegant living space, and the presence of windows on several parts of the walls provides sufficient natural lighting for the room and comfort, especially during the day. However, during the day there is also artificial lighting, which is quite representative in providing room lighting and room aesthetic during the day. In this example of the kitchen, there is a combination of kitchen element in the form of semi-glossy black marble and other rustic material that are relevant to the exterior. This shows that rustic elements do not always have to be combined with other rustic elements, but can also be combined with luxury elements such as marble, glass, and other elements with a luxurious impression. The kitchen backsplace also has marble elements which support a luxurious and elegant impression in this part of the kitchen. In this tiny house with a rustic concept, if we maximize it with creativity, the result will be stunning like this, especially in the bathroom area with luxurious elements on the sink, countertop, bathtub, and shower. The existence of an exhaust fan here plays an important role in controlling bathroom air circulation so that is maintained or removing dirty air in the bathroom outside. So apart from aesthetic aspects and other visual comfort in a room, it is also necessary to consider the health of the room, especially the bathroom area. In my opinion, with the combination of rustic materials and luxurious and elegant interior elements, this is quite good in terms of the artistic visual aspect of the room and the comfort of the living space in the long term. Sometimes we think that rustic material elements with quiet, vibrant color like this will limit our creativity in processing them. But in this episode, we can see together how the combination of luxurious element and vibrant rustic elements can be combined to become something good and inspiring for all of us. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.